Have you ever wondered why some brands get hundreds of comments, shares, and leads while others post daily but still get zero engagement? Well, here's the secret. It's not always about how much you post, it's how you make your audience interact. In today's video, we are diving deep into something that's changing the digital game: quizzes, surveys, and interactive content. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use them to boost engagement, collect leads, and even increase sales with real examples. So grab a tea and let's get started. Before we jump into strategies, let's clear one thing. What do we mean by interactive content? In simple words, it's content that lets your audience do something, not just see something. Instead of scrolling past your post, they click, answer, vote, or play. For examples, a quiz like which smartphone suits your lifestyle, or a poll like Team iPhone or Team Android, or a survey asking which course should I launch next. Interactive content turns your audience from viewers into participants, and when people participate, they remember you. Let me tell you a quick story. There's a sweet shop owner in Pune. Let's call him Ramesh Bhai. During Diwali, he wanted to increase online orders for his sweets. Instead of just posting buy now ads, he ran a fun quiz on Instagram, like finding your Diwali sweet personality. Are you a Kaju Katli, a Gulab Jamun, or a Rasagulla? People loved it. They shared their results with friends, tagged others, and within a week, his page followers tripled. Here's the best part. Those who take the quiz were shown a get 10% off your favorite sweet coupon. The result is Ramesh Bhai sold 40% more boxes than the previous year. That's the power of interactive content we are talking about. Let's see why interactive content works. Let's talk psychology. Our brains are wired to respond to curiosity and participation. When someone sees a quiz that says discover your ideal business idea, they can't resist clicking. It's human nature. We love learning about ourselves, and when you connect that with your marketing, boom, engagement skyrockets. Interactive content also keeps users on your page longer, build trust through personalized experience, collects valuable data without feeling intrusive. Now let's break down the different types of interactive content you can use. The first one is quizzes for entertainment or education. For example, which laptop is right for your needs. Second one is surveys. Collect feedback or opinion. Example, what kind of digital marketing course do you want next? Third one, polls. Quick engagement on social media. Example is, should I post SEO or Instagram growth tips next? Fourth one, calculators. Helpful tools. Example, calculate your ad budget ROI. Fifth one, assessment. Great for coaches or educators. Example, find out your marketing skill level. Sixth one, context or games. Fun, shareable, viral. Example, spin the wheel to win 20% off. You can use this across website, emails, and social media. Now you might be thinking, how do I actually create these quizzes or surveys? Here are some amazing tools you can start with. First one, Typeform for beautiful quizzes and forms. Second one, Google Forms, simple and free to use. Third one, Outgrow, best for lead generation quizzes. Fourth one, Interact, great for content creators and bloggers. Fifth one, SurveyMonkey, for detailed surveys and analytics. And for social media, use Instagram polls, YouTube community post, or even WhatsApp voting stickers. Now we are going to see how to use quizzes for lead generation. Now here's where things get interesting. You can use quizzes not just for fun, but to build your email list too. For example, if you run a fitness brand, make a quiz like find out your fitness personality, gym beast or yoga lover. At the end, ask for their email to get a free workout plan. They get personalized result, you get a qualified lead. It's a win-to-win situation. This is exactly how Indian brands like Cure.fit and Healthify Me grow their customer database. Okay, but how do you know if your interactive content is working? Here are the key metrics. First one, participation rate. How many people started the quiz? Second one, completion rate. How many finished it? Third one, lead conversion rate. How many entered details? Fourth one, social shares. How viral it became. And last one is engagement time. How long users stayed. Use Google Analytics or built-in tool analytics to track this. When you measure, you can improve. Here are a few golden tips before you start creating your own case. Keep it short, 6 to 8 questions max. Make it visually attractive. Use emojis, colors, and images. Add humor or local flavor, like which street food are you? Personalize the result. People love seeing themselves in the answer. Always add a call to action. Download your result, get offer, etc. Remember, the goal is not just engagement, it's connection. Now that you know how quizzes and interactive content can transform your digital marketing, now it's your turn. Start with one quiz, share it on your Instagram or website, and watch how your engagement changes. And if you want me to take a free step-by-step tutorial on creating your first quiz using Typeform or Outgrow, comment quiz master below. Remember, marketing isn't about shouting louder, it's about listening smarter. When you give your audience a chance to interact, they don't just remember your brand, they connect with it. So go ahead, make your marketing fun, personal, and interactive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing strategies that actually work in India. I will see you in a next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating magic online.